Good afternoon and welcome. My name is Robin and this is the channel. So I am so trying to catch up on my videos. So if you see me wearing some of the same shirts, I am filming in the same day. It's not like I'm filming over a week and still wearing the same shirts. So anyway, I have what was my Pinkboxdelivery. Mary, the curator of this, she was very, very ill. So she couldn't get the packages out on time, and normally it comes in a very cute box, but she put it in a bag. So Mary, we forgive you, we love you, and we hope you get better soon. So I can't remember what the theme of this month. This is, what are we in, June? So this is the June box. And she always puts a pamphlet in here what everything is, but I don't know if it's me, but it's very light and it looks like it's hard to read. So how you guys doing? Y'all doing good? I know we have crazy weather. There's heat waves everywhere, including Germany. I talked to my daughter today and she's like, don't even talk to me about heat. Their apartments don't have air conditioning there, so they just have window units and fans all over the place. Even her poor cat was just dying in their heat. And my grandbaby Emmy is doing just fine. I'll be going out there in September to see her, so I'm so excited. And let's see what's in our bag. It looks like, as I said, I can't even read that thing. It's lighter than normal. And it looks like we have our little pink truck on there. It looks like we got another summer bag. A lot of our boxes this time of year are doing the summer bag and beach towels. And so this, I'm not going to take it out because I might gift this or put it in a giveaway. Not sure what I'm going to do, but look at this fun summer bag. It's got straps on it, and it has a zipper. I love bags that come with the zippers. You can put all your stuff in there, and if you drop it, nothing falls out. It's very classy looking. Sorry for all this noise. But look at this. You put on a pair of gold sandals or fancy flip-flops and you're all set. So not mad at that. It's just I've received so many beach bags. I don't know what I would do with another one. And I think I got everything out of the bag. Let me just double check. And it doesn't feel like there's a lot in here, but she just puts, everything is well worth it. This box is $39 something, and then she adds shipping, so it comes out to about $46 monthly. But you normally love everything that's in there, and she'll let you know what the next month is going to be. So if you want to skip a month, you can skip a month. And then of course, the longer you keep the subscription, the more inexpensive it is, just like most subscription boxes. And I'm gonna try to see, and it's dark outside, so it's a little dark inside. So we have, I'm trying to see if I can find the beach bag. I'll look at this at the end, and then I can just go along with what we got in here. So then this is our little bundle of goodies. And this theme was, I can't read it. It looks like it's a nautical theme. We got the beach bag, and then we got this umbrella. And Kayla from Kayla's Closet, we know how much she loves her animal print. I am not an animal print person, And of course, when it comes to an umbrella, does anybody really care? They want to stay dry. So this is a nice umbrella. I already have one in my car, so I really don't have a need for another one. So this will probably go in a giveaway. But it's very nice. And then we have what's ever inside of here. So we have our little anchor. So I do like this bag. It is really cute. And let's see. Ooh, they packed it with a lot. We have our little brush that obviously fits perfect in here. And then we have this. I'm not sure what it is. Let's see. Is it a bracelet? It looks like a knot bracelet. Again, not gonna open it, but it's kind of cute if that's what it is. So it definitely does have a nautical thing. So we got the brush. I'm assuming what is a bracelet. And then, is this a nail file? It's chunky. I'm thinking it's a nail file. And there's still more. Oh, a luggage tag. This is like the third luggage tag in like the last 4 boxes I've opened. And they're all cute, and it'll probably go in a giveaway, because how many luggage tags, especially if I don't plan on flying, just one need. That, oh, I guess we need 2 luggage tags, because we have 2 luggage tags. And then we have by Bella Pierre Super Gloss in Bubblegum. Wow. I think this is kind of a cool color. I don't know how it comes on. I don't know if you can see it. It's definitely, it's not as dark as it looks like in the tube. I don't know if you can see it, but I definitely like this. And as we all know, everything is fitting in this bag. And there must have been a sticker. And then we have by Hemp, and this is a pomegranate. I'm not sure if it's a shower gel. So to recap, we got this cute little anchor bag that I absolutely love. We got what I'm assuming is a shower gel. We got 2 luggage tags. And I'm thinking this is a knot bracelet. I'm gonna take it out. So, are you going anywhere nautical? Because this would be definitely a great box. So this is what it looks like. And it's got a claspy thing here. And of course, I can't undo it. I think you need nails. I don't know if it, oh, does it go this way? You know I'm gonna break this thing. Oh, there we go. I think it's magnetic. This might be kind of cool. Oh, there we go. Now how cool is that? Oh, does it go with my shirt? So we got this bracelet. And I think this is an emery board, but I will confirm. And this cute little brush, and it did all fit in the bag until I ruined it. And then we got the umbrella, and the beach bag. And we've been getting rain out here, so an umbrella is not a bad thing. So let's just recap everything that we got in here, and I'm actually liking this cute little thing. So we got the tote, and that retails for $42. A hand braided knotted bracelet, and that is this, and that retailed for $34. Life is something. Can't read, this is really light. And then we got, I'm just trying to look at what the total price of the box is. It doesn't say what the total price, but I'll leave everything. I'll figure it out. And of course, I'll leave everything there. And then it says coming up in July is Island Time. So that ought to be a fun box. So what was your favorite item in this box? I'm kind of leaning towards my little knot, because you can actually probably wear this like in water, or if it gets wet or on the sand, it won't ruin. And I like the little makeup bag, or the little bag that you can put all your stuff in there. That was kind of nice too. So I want Mary to get better and we can get back on track. Was this one of my favorite boxes from her? I don't know, but I did like the box overall. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. I am on Instagram, so of course I am posting my baby pictures. And you guys have an awesome day.